Do you hear a clunking from up front when you hit a bump? Are your sway bar end link bushings perished? If so, let's replace the sway bar end link bushings on our 1985 Toyota Corolla. So here's what we'll need: penetrating fluid, a 10mm open end wrench, a 12mm box end wrench, the ratcheting kind if you have them, 12mm deep socket, a ratchet, and if you have one, an electric ratchet. Jack up your car in the front on both sides and support the car with jack stands. Remove the front wheels. Turn the steering wheel for access to the sway bar end links. Spray the top and bottom nuts on the link with penetrating fluid and let it sit for as long as you can. The day before would be best. There are a set of 10mm flats on the link rod just above the bottom bush. Put your 10mm open end wrench on the flats and hold the link rod while you use your 12mm box end wrench to remove the top nut. You want to take the top nuts off of both sides because you're going to have to lift the sway bar, which would be impossible if you don't remove them both. When you have it off, remove the rubber bushes and metal caps. My end link bushings are probably 40 years old and well past it. It was time to replace them. While I struggle to get this off, now would be a great time to hit that like button. Yeah. Use your 10mm open end wrench to hold the link rod and use the ratchet and socket to remove the bottom nut. Grab those bushes and caps too. If your end links are like mine, they need some refurbishment. I used a wire wheel to clean the rust off the parts and hit them with a lick of black paint. Check out how rusty they are. They clean up nicely. Now put the links back on the car in the reverse order you took them off. Put the bottoms in on both sides. Then move to the tops. It might be easier if you have a second person on the opposite side to guide the link rod into the hole in the sway bar. Make sure you torque everything to the proper specs, which are different for your specific car, so look them up. Keep watching for more suspension tutorials, or better yet, subscribe to the channel and you'll get notified.